Welcome, project management enthusiasts. Today, we're breaking down the structure of the PMP exam, the gateway to advancing your career in project management. Did you know that the exam features 180 questions? But here's the twist. 5 of those are pretest items that don't count toward your final score. That means you're graded on 175 questions. These 5 pretest questions are hidden gems. They're used to test new questions for future exams. While they won't affect your score, they can appear anywhere, so treat every question like it counts. The PMP exam provides you with 230 minutes, that's 3 hours and 50 minutes, to complete the entire exam. Now let's talk strategy. Since the exam tests your knowledge across various project management domains, it's essential to be well prepared for every topic. Focus on understanding the principles, applying best practices, and practicing with sample questions, just as if every question was scored. Here are a few tips to ace the exam. Time management. With 175 scored questions to answer, pacing yourself is key. Focus on fundamentals. The exam is designed to test real-world project management skills. Practice under exam conditions. Familiarize yourself with the exam's layout and question styles, including the unexpected pretest items. Remember, every question you answer is a step closer to joining the elite ranks of certified project managers. Embrace the challenge, use every resource at your disposal, and keep a positive mindset.